Central Hostel, City Central Hostel.
बेलूर मठ है का दिखाइयो नहीं दे
Tell you. How much? How much? 1,000. 1,000. Okay.
Taxi.
Yes, thank you. Welcome back to India and Kolkata. I just arrived from my train ride and I'm taking this taxi for $12 US.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Sweden.
Where are you from?
Sweden?
Switzerland.
No, Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah.
Wow. Sir, your location.
Yes, thank you. Yes, you always feel like a famous person when you're traveling around India. Everyone wants to take selfies with you. Everyone is interested in you. So if you want to feel like a famous person, go to India.
Come back. अभी हमारा भाई है यूट्यूब का नाम पूछ लीजिएगा
You can find good beer. Where is the beer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like beer?
Like
Yeah. The beer is good. Yeah.
Yours come is back. Yours beer. तू भाई beer पिएगा ऐसे करा भाई.
brother, my brother, big brother.
Yeah. Oh, big brother. Yeah.
पंचिंग ऊपर में आप ब्रिज के पास है और भाई
Yeah.
यूट्यूब में आएगा
Yes, this taxi ride took me from the train station into the city center. Took me 1 hour. What was almost like in a tour. So I think it was worth $12. Maybe it was a pay too much, but for me, $12 is not that much actually.
market, books market.
book market.
Book market.
Thank you for the ride.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And what's your name?
MD Mumtaz.
Okay. My name is Andreas. Thank you. Yes, I have arrived to my hostel. So I started with a lunch for $2. Perfect, very good lunch. And I also bought a train ticket to my next destination that you will see in the next video. But now I'm experiencing Kolkata. It was very hectic city, you can say. Some places was very clean, some places not that clean. But overall, I have a good experience in Kolkata. And you see water for very cheap, very cheap price. Yes, hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sweden,
Okay, what's your name?
Andreas. And your name?
My name is Andreas.
And you're from Kolkata?
Hi. Hi. My name is Stefan.
And yeah, you're also from Kolkata?
Yes. What are you coming?
I like to see the city. Yeah. Kolkata is very famous in Sweden.
That's for enjoyment. You also go to new town.
Yeah.
There are lots of new things.
Yeah?
You have to explore this.
Oh, where is the new town?
This Sector 5 side.
Oh, okay. Oh, so I have to,
Channel.
yeah, YouTube channel.
Say your YouTube channel name here.
Yeah. Oh, Time for dinner again, and what I am eating is butter chicken, of course. I lived on butter chicken for a week in India. I really love butter chicken. It cost me $6 around. Maybe a little bit expensive, but if you really like butter chicken, yeah, you need to pay a little bit extra. I think this butter chicken, I don't know, is this typical Indian food or is it more westernized Indian food? But I really love butter chicken. But now I'm going to the subway station and taking the subway to somewhere in Kolkata. It was super cheap, less than $1. Så, nu börjar vi känna oss den indiska känslan av mycket folk ändå. Ja, här ser det ut på tunnelbanan i Kolkata. I really like the metro system in Kolkata. It was very easy to find your way around and also very affordable. Every ticket cost less than $1, so I really recommend you if you are in Kolkata that you take the subway around. You can also take buses, you also can take tuk-tuks, of course, taxis. But now I'm eating some lunch actually. I bought chai tea, of course, you know me now. I really love chai tea. And then I also bought a chicken sandwich for, I think this cost me $1. So yeah, India is quite affordable. And one more chai. Chai, I love chai.
this?
Yeah. Can I have a cup of black tea as well?
This is without sugar and with sugar?
With sugar.
With sugar.
Yeah.
Anything else, sir?
No, I think tea will be nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video from Calcutta. This was my 48 hours in Kolkata, and in the next one I will take a train to the north of India, more closer to Nepal and Bhutan. So see you in the next one. Have a great day. Ciao.